Get ready to experience the groundbreaking third-person shooter that redefined a generation. Is coming. This 4K remaster of the original is set to launch on August 26, 2025. The game will be available on PlayStation 5, Windows PC, and Xbox Series X. Prepare to step back into the boots of Marcus Phoenix. The Locust Horde's emergence plunged humanity into chaos. Now, a ragtag squad of soldiers must fight for survival, was a critical and commercial success upon its initial release. The game's gritty atmosphere, intense cover-based combat, and memorable characters left a lasting impact. Promises to deliver the definitive version of this classic experience. Whether you're a veteran soldier or a fresh recruit, get ready to relive the epic battles and unforgettable moments that made a legend. The Locust Horde awaits, and the fight for humanity begins anew. In a groundbreaking move, will be the first installment in the franchise to launch on a PlayStation console. This marks a significant shift for Xbox, which has traditionally kept its biggest franchises exclusive to its own platforms. The move follows the successful cross-platform releases of other Xbox titles like And. The decision to bring to PlayStation has major implications for the gaming industry. It suggests a growing trend towards cross-platform releases, breaking down the walls between gaming ecosystems. For PlayStation owners, it's a chance to experience one of Xbox's most celebrated franchises for the first time. This move opens up the universe to a massive new audience. It could potentially pave the way for future installments in the franchise to embrace cross-platform releases as well. The gaming landscape is changing, and is at the forefront of this evolution. Isn't just a simple port, it's a complete visual and technical overhaul. The game has been rebuilt from the ground up to take advantage of the power of current generation hardware. Players can expect stunning 4K resolution, bringing the gritty world of Sarah to life like never before. Experience the adrenaline-pumping action at a buttery smooth 60 frames per second, ensuring a responsive and fluid gameplay experience. For players with compatible displays, we'll even offer a blistering 120 FPS mode. This heightened fidelity ensures that every chainsaw, duel, and shotgun blast feels as visceral and impactful as ever. Includes all of the original game's multiplayer maps and modes, allowing players to relive the classic online battles that defined a generation. Additionally, we'll launch with all of the original game's downloadable content, including the acclaimed ROM's Shadow Campaign expansion. This comprehensive package ensures that players have access to the complete experience right out of the box. Section 4. Pricing and availability. Gearing up for launch, will be available for $40 upon release. This competitive price point makes it an enticing option for both newcomers and returning fans. For players who already own the 2015 remaster released for Xbox One and PC, a free upgrade path will be available. This allows veteran players to enjoy the enhanced version of the game without repurchasing it. Furthermore, will be included as part of Xbox Game Pass Ultimate. This subscription service continues to provide incredible value for gamers, offering access to a vast library of titles including the latest releases and beloved classics. The inclusion of Further sweetens the deal for subscribers. Whether you choose to purchase the game outright, upgrade from a previous version, or access it through Xbox Game Pass Ultimate, offers flexible options for players to experience this classic title on their platform of choice. Section 5. The future of Gears. A look ahead. The release of is just the tip of the iceberg for the franchise. While details are scarce, we know that a prequel is currently in development. Set 14 years before the events of the original game, promises to explore the early days of the Locust War and shed light on the events that shaped the universe. The future of looks bright. With a fresh coat of paint on the original masterpiece and a prequel on the horizon, there's never been a better time to be a fan. The franchise is poised to captivate both longtime enthusiasts and newcomers alike with its blend of intense action, compelling characters, and a rich, lore-filled universe. As we eagerly await further news on and potential future installments, one thing is certain: the saga is far from over. The fight for Sarah continues, and we'll be right there on the front lines, lancer in hand, ready to face whatever horrors the Locust Horde throws our way.